Custom keyboards are becoming more popular nowadays. You can choose to build your own exactly how you'd like, or you can buy it from a company that assembles it for you. Unfortunately, this board from Mixtec wasn't perfect. The spacebar, right shift key, as well as the dash key weren't registering, and I also had some problems with the first board they sent out. It's always been my goal to be honest with my followers and showcase how a product actually is. I understand how difficult it is to run a business. I'm running my own, but this is a very expensive keyboard. This is the second keyboard Mixtec has sent out and it's still not working, so I'm a little bit disappointed.